Hey, assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about the physiology of thirst. So, we will understand the basic overview. Here is the central nervous system, which does contain brain and spinal cord. Brain contain higher brain cortex and the spinal cord as well as the brain stem, which that is the part of the midbrain, contain a pons, medulla, spinal cord. And in this way, here is you can see the learning and finding behavior for maintain osmolality in the blood. The osmolality mean we will understand also. So in this way, whenever the solute will increase in your blood, while the solvent, for example water, will decrease in your blood, so you require more water. So in this, the higher brain cortex for thirsty behavior trigger lead to limbic system activation, and in this way the hypothalamus will trigger. Due to the hypothalamus contain a osmoreceptor cell. Here is the limbic system, and hypothalamus will transmit the signal to the vasomotor center, which that is the present in the medulla oblongata. In this way, the vasomotor center, the medulla oblongata, which that trigger the baroreceptor into the heart, into the aorta and the blood vessel for more constriction for the blood regulation. The pressure of the blood will regulate whenever you will drink water. So in this way, the dilation of the blood vessel and the heart, which that occur. The dilation means the more volume of the blood will lead to prevent the blood pressure hypertension. So vagus and glossopharyngeal nerve, which that transmit the signal toward the heart and blood vessel for the constriction when that thirsty, while whenever you will drink water, so it will be dilate for the regulation of the blood pressure. The osmolarity means the concentration of solute in the fluid, in the solvent for example, for osmosis of the water. The osmolality is the 275 to 295 milliosmol per kg is the normal. So whenever it will be drop or whenever it will be rise, so the physiology should be homeostasis. So the homeostasis will occur. The homeostasis means the maintenance of the internal body regard to the fluctuation of the external environment. Here is the whenever the sodium will increase due to the thirsty and due to the loss of the water will lead to trigger the hypothalamus, which that is the osmoreceptor cell receive the sodium to trigger the posterior pituitary gland. In this way, when less water in blood, the solute increase, so the osmolality increase and thirst trigger. That means that whenever the sodium or solute will increase, so the water will decrease, will lead to thirsty behavior. When water increase, osmolality decrease. So osmoreceptor cell hypoosmotic state and thirst will be stopped. So in this way, we will understand the bigger picture. To understand here is the osmoreceptor cell. Whenever you will be thirsty, it means the sodium will rise while the water will be decreased. When water will be decreased, so the sodium will be moved into the osmoreceptor cell, will lead to trigger to a nerve. And in this way, here is the osmoreceptor cell, osmoreceptors, hypothalamus, and the supraoptic neurons. Here is the optic chiasm, and this is the paraventricular nucleus, which that receives the signal through a blood vessel, and this will lead to basically stretching or on the basis of that things. So here is the posterior lobe, which that release the antidiuretic hormone due to the thirsty behavior. Whenever you will be thirsty, so in this way, whenever you will be not drink water, so in this way antidiuretic hormone will be rise. The osmoreceptor cell we will understand now. So in this, whenever the sodium will be increase, so sodium will be decreased, sorry, so the thirst and antidiuretic hormone will be decreased. In this way, the 270 to 290 milliosmol per kg. In this way, the sodium will be decreased. So the solvent will increase while the solute will be decreased, for example, for understanding you. So in this way, you will not thirsty. While the hypoosmotic state means the sodium will be rise whenever the water will be decreased. So the 275 to 295 milliosmol per kg, which that is the hyposmotic state, will lead to sodium influx to the osmoreceptor, will lead to cause the thirsty behavior due to the antidiuretic hormone release. While the isosmotic state, in this way the sodium and the sodium will be moved inside, and water also maintain, will lead to isosmotic state and no any more thirsty behavior. But the thirst will occur more for the hyposmotic state. So remember, the 290 to 295 milliosmol per kg or more will lead to isosmotic state, and in this the sodium and the solute and the solvent will be balanced. For example, the salt and the water. For example, whenever you will be thirsty, it means the antidiuretic hormone will release due to the osmoreceptor cell trigger from the hypothalamus to the posterior pituitary gland, will target to the kidney, the antidiuretic hormone receptor. So the whenever you will drink water, so the antidiuretic hormone receptor will be decreased the function. So in this, the antidiuretic hormone whenever increase due to the thirsty behavior. In this, whenever you will not drink the water, so in this way the water will be reabsorbed into the blood circulatory system from the nephron due to the aquaporin type 2 channel open more and more, while the drink water will inhibit it. And in this way, the whenever you be thirsty, so in this way the prevention of dilute urine. So the dilute urine will not produce, while the concentrated urine concentration of the solute more, while the water will be less as compared to the dilute urine, and reabsorption of water more to prevent the further excretion of water. In this way your body will hold the water while excrete the sodium, and when excrete the sodium, in this way your body basically maintain the water and sodium into your body. In this way your blood circulatory system also constriction, vasoconstriction and vasodilation due to the brain signal will lead to homeostasis of the hypertension prevention and etc. Osmolality whenever increased due to the deficiency of water will trigger the hypothalamus, will lead to posterior pituitary gland to release antidiuretic hormone, and the drink water will inhibit it, prevent to loss of water. In this way the dilute urine not occur, while the concentrated urine. In this way the drink water will lead to inhibit the prevent to loss of water, and loss of water more due to the more drink of the water. Hyperosmotic urine will inhibit by the drink more water. I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe. Bye.